do? What's going on, guys? It's your boy BacsATL. Just made it out here to the scrapyard on this Monday. This wet, nasty, messy Monday. How you guys' day is going? Hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys out making some money, man. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I enjoyed my weekend. Had a blast this weekend. Had a chance to hang out. Had a good time. Went out, man, and enjoyed some food. And that's pretty much it, man. So I'm coming weighing in on this load right here. Weighed in. I'm going to tell you guys I weighed in about almost 1,900 pounds. Yes, today is a great day. Another massive load. 1,900 pounds. And guess what, guys? I got more to go pick up. Yes, I got a lot more to go pick up. That's legitimate. That gave me a call and said, hey, man, I need you to come on out here, man. I got more of it, man. Hey, I got a washing machine, dryer, refrigerator, so on and so on and so on. And so this is what they gave me earlier, man. And got this stuff stacked up, and I'm glad he had these little aluminum doors there. I'm gonna take this aluminum out of here and take this aluminum with me. I got a little bit more aluminum at the bottom down there. I'm gonna take this aluminum, but man, he got a lot more out there, so I'm so excited to go out there and grab it, man. But man, I want to call everything out, but it's so much on this trailer, guys. Look at this. This thing is loaded, man. This is loaded, man. And then, you know, another great thing, I thank God for it, man, because I almost had a blew out. My tire almost blew out on the road because I had a bad tire. I've been riding around with it for a minute. I'm guilty for a minute, man, but I thank God I was able to go get a brand new tire for a great price, man. For a great price. The guy sold the tire to me for $50. I'm going back to get one more today. I need one more tire, man. So that is great. That is great news. So anywho, man, this is everything that I have on the back of the trailer, guys. If you guys want to, if we want to call out, we can call it, man. You know, we can call it out, man. Got this, you know, dishwasher. We got this microwave, some more dishwashers, some chairs, some metal all over the place. Heck, I can't so much of it on here. I'm so excited to have it, man. I'm so loaded. I'm about to get this offloaded for this Monday. I got to go grab some more of it, man. I just can't, guys. I just got to go make it happen. I got to make this happen, man. I got a doctor appointment at 4 o'clock. It's about 1:45 my time. Plenty of time to get out there, get back to this scrap yard, man, and make it happen. So I got to make it happen, guys. Here we go. Let's get this offloaded. Here we go. for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes of back breaking, throwing stuff, making stuff happen. I finally got this trailer offloaded, man. Woo! What has a day it been? It's been a truly, truly blessed day, man. I'm tired. I'm tired, guys. And it's time for me to get on up out of here, man. We're going to take this little aluminum up here, man, and call it a day. You guys be blessed. Enjoy your day today. I got another load to go get. I will catch you guys later sometime this week. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.